My BM put me on child support. She takes all my money I earn. Now I can't save to buy a property at 22. Boy, you're just gonna have to find a way to earn more money, rude boy. Because there's no way your baby mom takes all of your money. Child support is like 30%. So let's say, for example, you're on £3 grand a month, which you're not. Then £1,000, sorry, £900, because 30% of 3,000 is 900. That will go to your child. Now, allegedly, with child support, it's still 30%. But let's say, yeah, you're on £3 grand and 30% of £3 grand is 900. If you have 2 children, that 900 gets split to 450 per child. If you have 3 kids, that 900 gets split 3 ways, £300 each. So that's what I heard. I don't know, but that's what man's hearing still. But yeah, I heard child support's 30%. Now the reason why she takes you feel like she takes all your money is because, you know, after you've paid all your bills and all your wants and your needs and that 30% you could have saved it, but that 30% goes to your children. So that's why you feel like, yeah, she's taking all your money and that. You just gotta earn more. This is the problem that you're in now. There's no point complaining about it. The only solution to your problem is to earn more money.